Okay, this is test check number 1. I'm out here checking out the camera on a windy day. I'm here just where you go into Bishop Harbor. I also today wanted to check out low tide at a couple of different places. I'm going to go to another one. But this test check number 1 is without a microphone. This is the GoPro out of its case without a microphone. That was test check number 1. Okay, this is test check number 2. Oops, let's put up 2 fingers for number 2. Now this is using the microphone on the GoPro with the little spongy thing that goes over the microphone. So here we are on a windy day with just a little spongy thing that goes over the microphone. Now let's see how much that helped. Spongy thing on the end of the microphone. That's test check number 2. Okay, this is test check number 3. This is the GoPro hooked to the microphone with still having the little spongy thing on the microphone and having it covered with that rabbit's foot kind of thing. So let's see how that does with the sound. This is spongy thing and rabbit's foot hooked to the GoPro on a windy day. This is test check number 3. And let me mention, this is a really good windy day. Look at the palms over there. Things are really blowing, so this is a good day to check the extreme, I would say. Okay, that will complete the 3 ways of using the microphone.